Right, today what we're doing is changing this bar shower. As you can see, it's got a Rainfall head. So we're removing it, undoing them, how to turn the water off and fit a new one safely. So what we're going to do is change it to this equalizer. So first of all, what we want to do is turn the water off, feeding the shower. Which is just here. Test it by turning on. Like so. And the bath tap. Like so. And on the shower. Like so. Hot and cold. Nothing coming out. I'm just going to leave these open and let it drain. So with that drained, you can start dismantling this old shower. So you might want to start dismantling this shower by undoing this bracket here, undoing this bit, and undoing this and removing this. And then you're just left with the bar, so you can undo these two nuts here and here and remove that. So I'm just going to do that now. So there's like Allen keys here, there's a flat face here that you can undo, and then there's probably another Allen key just here to undo for this one. This brand of shower is not branded, so every shower is different, but you've just got to make sure the water's isolated before working on it, and then just start taking bits apart, like taking the shower arm off, this off, and removing these bits first before undoing these, because this will be heavy and you might drop it. So let's undo these bits now. As you can see, I'm just undoing all the screws I can see with an Allen key, and once they're all removed, I can use my spanner to undo the big nuts and remove the whole shower head from the bracket of the wall. With that removed, I can then tackle the bar shower, undoing these nuts and then removing the whole shower. Right, with that then removed, you can then remove the old shrouds. Like so. You might need these because these might be wider than these holes, so do keep hold of these just in case. The first thing you want to find is the bar, which is normally in a box like this, and in here has some fixings which you don't need, and some new shrouds. So here's the new shrouds. You just want to test these on the existing fixings. So what we want to do, let's put these on here. And as you can see, you ain't going to be able to get onto this fixing with these shrouds. So, and also there's a gap there. So either you need to order new shrouds, or for now you need to use the old existing shrouds. It's just one of the things in plumbing that you come up against that you do need to try and sort yourself. Nothing straightforward. See if that will wind. It's not square, I think. I think it's touching there. It just won't tighten anymore. Let's put that in there. Grab the old ones. I'm just going to give these a clean up quickly before putting them back on. In the shower, and there should be some washers. Like this, and then in here there should be the washers. Yeah, so in there, there's the washers already in there. Sometimes they're in a separate packet. Once again, you've got hot and cold marks here and here. So it's hot on the left, cold on the right, so that's upside down. Goes like that. I'll just take that off of there. So what you need to do, just offer it up. Tighten. So there's one, and the other one also. You'll feel it bite with your fingers onto the rubbers. Then grab yourself your spanner, and just lift them up. So, at this point you can now turn the water back on, make sure the shower itself is off. So this one, it clicks in the off position, so that's all off. So we can now turn the water back on and check for any leaks at these points here. So with the water back on, just going to check for any leaks here and here. Unscrew that. So next we're going to grab the arm and we're going to unpack it and screw it onto there. And luckily I think that lines up with that existing hole, but if not you'll just have to remove that plug from there and put some grout or white silicone in. So let's get this on. So this has already got the washer in the bottom, so what you're going to do is put that on there. So, comes with this black back plate and an Allen key. So undo this grub screw. So you can remove it all the way if you want and put it to one side, like so. So this goes, so the grub screw faces over. With that all screwed in, I'm just going to wipe away any pencil. around that. Clean the tiles up around it. And we're going to grab our, make sure the wash is inside still, which it is. Line it up and screw it. Yeah. Allen key grab screw. You want to tighten them both in left and right. And tighten that up. Make sure this is free. Make sure this is also working. Next, you want to screw your head on. Make sure that's nice and tight. And the cap's been removed. Already has the washer in it. So all you've got to do is make sure this is nice and straight. Offer it up. Spin it till it's tight. And once again, grab. Grab your adjustable. Just lift it up. Like so. Next is turn of the arm, the shower hose. Do this. So with these, there's this piece which is quite flat, and then there's a long piece. The long piece always goes onto your shower head, your short piece always goes onto the tap. So with these, they don't have a washer in. So put a washer in which is supplied and screw that clockwise into there. Undo this like so. Next, you want to probably go behind the shower through this loop. And up onto this, and if it doesn't go in like this, then you've just got to spin this 180 degrees. Now slide in, rubber washer in there, and then your shower head and screw on. There, like so, and then tighten it by hand. There you go, you're all on. All you got to do, turn it on, test for any leaks. Here, 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 and here, and enjoy your new shower. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, please do give it a thumbs up and leave a comment with any questions you might have. This is pretty standard bar shower with a Rainfall head, so any questions do leave them in the comments. I do hope this video has helped.
make sure you do check for any leaks, and if you're not competent in doing this, do get yourself a qualified plumber and they will happily assist you with this. But for now, this has been a Aqualisa bar shower install. I hope you have a good day. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care.